There we go.
He said just leave it open?
Flat. There you go.
Oh, that's it.
Ooh.
He bit my finger. Put your hand back up.
Oh my goodness.
Get the toes.
Yeah, check out those toes.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
That's like a velociraptor.
Oh. I'm gonna look at her eyes there too. They had
Take
two
your
sets
finger
of
off?
eyelids. They have a lot of sandstorms in their native lands. And
My
those
finger's
two sets of eyelids kind of help keep that sand
Like, I'm
out.
gonna feed it.
No more. Okay.
Okay, look. Oh, wow.
Well, you can have the rest of it.